Friends, hello everyone. Sergey is with you, and in this snowy weather, we are at the Medeu Alpine Sports Complex, located at an altitude of 1,691 meters. Medeu is translated from Kazakh as support. Just a few days ago, an ice rink was opened, which opens every winter and most of the Almaty residents visit it. It goes in sessions. You can get acquainted with time, of course, on the Medeu website or in Google to look. Many people come, ride in the morning, in the evening, until the very night to the music, enjoy the company, and if possible, now we will film one of these moments. The uniqueness of this skating rink is that it is located in the highlands, and the purest mountain water for pouring ice contributes to achieving high results in speed skating. Just a month ago I received a comment that there is no issue on my channel about Medeu. In 2018, of course, I showed Medeu, but of course I didn't shoot a separate issue. There is also a dam of the same name near the skating rink. It can be ascended by the steps of health. Only 842 steps are worth overcoming to climb up. Now, unfortunately, I can't show it properly, because you can see for yourself what the weather is like. I expected that the clouds would gradually disperse or rise up. Well, drone footage still turns out to be beautiful with snowy mountains and coniferous trees. You can get to Medeu very easily in 30 to 40 minutes, as by the 12th bus, which runs here steadily from 6 a.m. So by car and by taxi, respectively, the price will be different everywhere. From Medeu to the Shymbulak ski resort, you can climb by cable car. It can be seen that trailers are being lifted, also by taxi, which are standing here, and by bus, which does not go today. You can't even see him there in the snow, he was covered. Since most likely the road is slippery. The price for a sprinter to climb to Shymbulak is 500 tenge, by taxi 3,000 or 4,000 depending on the eco-taxi, and the price on the cable car itself is 4,500 if I'm not mistaken. But you need to check and you can catch a discount. For some, Medeu is a place where you can skate, climb the health ladder or plunge into a thermal spring, and then drink delicious coffee. But for me it is a starting point in different directions, along different routes, whether it is Butakovsky Waterfall, or Gorelnik Waterfall, Tuyuk-Su Gate, Oktyabrskaya Cave on Bogdanovich Glacier. That is, a huge number of directions. And I don't usually linger at Medeu. I spent only 1.5 batteries on the drone, my hand started to freeze and eventually grabbed the drone, immediately jumped on the bus on the move. I went down to the city to warm up. I want to say a big thank you to everyone who supported the last issue, as well as to all those who will support this issue. Be sure to leave comments, share with friends. If you are not subscribed, subscribe. The YouTube algorithm will consider this as positive actions and will promote my release. I hope this video was useful for you and now you know a little more about Medeu. And you understand why I say Medeu, Shymbulak and go on. I immediately show the next route, that is, I do not focus my attention on this. And as always, do not miss the moments of life, enjoy it, travel. Bye to everyone and see you in the new releases.